I've lived long enough in this country to witness many things: the liberation struggle, the years of Kukurahundi, the long reign of Comrade Robert Gabriel Mugabe, and the events of November 2017. In all those years, in all those chapters of our national story, I never, not once, saw a house of God shattered, its congregation turned away so that a politician could pass through. Ndisatapinda mashoko shamisa vanhu unikuwa kunzi machechi ovharwa panguva inoyi kuti vagopevha way aiwa for Daniel Garwe ana kuda kwachitagwirei chitiko chavhundutsa vanhu kuti so maconstitutional amendments awa akutouya panguva ine vachitoti Mwari ngatitombomuisai pasaidi timbopasa mabills edu. Ndiri subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timira paendio ya General Winston Skauki Mapranga anodanyira achiti not even for the President of the Republic yet today, 28 March 2026, a Christian congregation was denied access to their own place of worship because Daniel Garwe, a cabinet minister, a servant of the people, requires the space, and the man who owns the project, Kudatagure, was seated comfortably in that very church this morning. I want to ask Tagure directly, what exactly were you worshipping in there? Because the God I know does not require you to lock his own children out of the house. That is not the gospel. That is a performance. That is the theater of men who have confused proximity to power with proximity to the divine. Garwe calls himself Pope. I have no quarrel with a man. It's faith. Faith is sacred. But when your faith requires a congregation to be displaced, when it requires a church to close its doors to ordinary Zimbabweans so that your motorcade may pass in peace, then what you are practicing is not Christianity, it is worshipping of self. Comrade Mugabe, whatever his faults and history records, many never demanded this. He sat in churches alongside ordinary citizens. The security presence was felt, yes, but the church remained open. The pews were not emptied for him. We have now sunk beneath that watermark. Ndo mashuvano yatogwa na retired general pamusoro pezvakuitwa neZANU-PF. Pinokomesa section medu dzafungiro aimot kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.